See a fresh mustache line up like that, joint. Too trim. They don't look too trim. Yeah. Just sitting here staring at my fucking screen like, come on, bro. Get your shit together. Why is it not popping up? Alright. Friday, 10 a.m. news. So the government really back out. Okay. Yeah, back to 8:30 news.
What are you talking about? It's a classic.
A classic? How's it a classic? It just came out. What?
Yeah, this nigga's stupid. What are you talking about? Did you J. Cole?
Jermaine Cole.
Yes.
Cole.
Cole.
Yes.
You talking about the one that just said I could put an M on your head, now you Luigi, brother? Him?
Yes, him.
The real
Jermaine
is back, the Ville is back.
Cole.
95 South on the off season? J. Cole.
Yes.
Friday Night Lights?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. What are you talking about?
Okay,
You
yeah.
coming over
What
here
are you
twisting
talking
that J.
about?
Cole shit talking about, oh, well, how is it a classic? It just came out. Nigga, listen to it. Then go to sleep, wake up, listen to it again, nigga. It's a classic. I ain't gonna say it again, it's a classic.
Days when you feeling motivated, when all your heroes either disappeared or sound so deflated. The younger generation hella fire, no I won't debate it, but they want what I got right now and one day they gon' obtain it. Still I find it hard to replicate what I'm longing lately, that childish admiration like back when I had posters hanging.
I decided that I wanted to become a billionaire, so I started dressing the part. I've been wearing tuxedos for the past 2 days, and for whatever reason, I am craving the taste of little baby's intestine.
Yo, he's wildin'. Yo, he's wildin'. Yo, he is wildin'. Yo, gangsta, he wildin'. Gangsta, he gangsta, he wildin'. Well, never mind. Bro, what is wrong with me, bro? I just be doing shit. That was some good sleep I had. The sleep I had, Boston. Great sleep. I do Boston. Darkness appears, leaving me stranded.
I never even cheated. Goddamn, girl, I should've cheated. I ain't fucking with these bitches be eating. I froze up when I seen you with them. That shit made me wanna leave you with them. I never even cheated.
Gosh dang, girl, I should have cheated. I ain't fucking with these be eating. I don't wanna be a player. You gave me a reason. Girl, you the one I needed. I give you everything, yeah. I hate you up like Reese's. You know, I love my Reese's. I'm waiting for my mans. Just call on Discord. Hurry up. Gotta mark a lot of charts. A lot of charts, gotta get a lot marked. Little mark, gotta get little Lloyds.
Rented it. So they. Rented it. So they said you filed for bankruptcy. Is that what happened?
On paper.
On paper?
Yeah. They haven't taken all the assets yet, though.
Okay. I hope whenever they take your shit, they auction it, I'ma buy it.
Yeah, bro. This shit will be on discount.
So they
Lord,
said you filed for bankruptcy.
Lord, I am listening, Lord.
I've never seen this kid.
I know they're going to try to kick me off here, so just let me try to get this out.
Hold up.
First of all, Jesus, I hear you and I'm listening, Lord. I am listening, Lord.
Amen.
Was it time y'all that I was broken? That's why I wrote this album. I didn't think I had a chance, y'all. There was days that I thought the darkest things. I was a horrible human. There was a moment in my life that all I had was a Bible this big and a radio the same size and a 6'8" cell.
Yes, sir, Bieber.
These two things could change my life.
Bieber knows, I'm telling you.
The power to change my life, and God had the power to change
Amen.
my life.
Thank you, Jesus.
And I want to tell y'all right now, Jesus is for everybody. Jesus is not owned by one political party. Jesus is not owned by one music label. Jesus is
Yes, sir.
relationship with him. I love you, Lord.
I love this, man. Who is this guy, man? This is my first time hearing about him, and doing this in the Grammys, man. Shout out to you, bro. You see how Bieber was like, he knows Jesus.
I walked into it.
Look, I got roaches.
What?
Let me see you. Let me see your face. You a little fat, nasty bitch, and you proud about it, bro. Why the fuck? Let me see the roaches. Nah, go back. Let me see the roaches. Let me talk.
She laughing to my look. I got roaches. Like, bro.
Y'all good?
Let me talk to the roaches.
Damn, that bitch chilling. Damn, you gotta kill him. Why you gotta kill him? Bitch, they pay rent.
Yo, I was shorty. They all up in my bathroom.
Dirty bitch, bro.
Look, I got roaches.
She talking about we all up in my. They all up in my bathroom. When we on that, nah, it's hard. Shit, there we go. Hey, oh, damn. Whoa, where you going with all that? Whoa.
We getting rich tonight. We getting rich tonight.
What? How the fuck do I turn your shit down? That shit look loud as hell. There you go. Hey, Tuck.
Oh.
Yeah, that's better.
My bad.
So
I should open up a Top Step website right quick.
Screen to share. Even if you do, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see charts.
Okay, hold on, let me get my notes out. I'm gonna take some notes.
I would say get Trading View.
Review?
Trading View, yeah, Trading View.
Alright, Trading View. Okay, hold on,
you can do it on go to the website.
What the fuck? Oh my god, I don't got no leg in this shit. TradingView.com, right?
Yeah. Bro, that shit add up for real.
Is busting this morning?
Oh no, I didn't even see none yet. I didn't even check.
Excuse me. Nigga singing Mario.
You was playing Mario Zingbo?
Hell yeah, I beat that game, nigga.
Chill. You was playing with your family?
Hell yeah, we were all the time.
But did you have a Wii U?
Yeah, nigga.
Chill. I had the Wii U too. That joint was tough. I was playing Super Mario Bros. All the time. And Mario Kart.
All right.
Yo, boys just play Mario Kart with the guys. That'd be hard as heck.
No credit card needed. I fucks with that, man. I fucks with that. Wait, it's a monthly payment though? Question mark.
Not unless you need like extra stuff. Like if you want to get like the second chart, the charts that go like by every second. That's extra money.
All right, yeah. I'm just trying to start like on a beginner slate type shit.
Yeah. Nah, but I'm gonna be on the second chart, but just don't even worry about that, bro.
All right, but
just look at my screen, bro, because there's no point in spending bread right now.
Heavy on it. But no, every week, bro, I'm gonna be seeing progress. I'm gonna be doing like mini research in between.
You definitely should. All right, are you ready? Cause it's about to be 9:30. The market's about to open.
Hold on, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna be ready in 2 seconds.
All right, I might miss a trade.
You begin emails and shit. Fuck it, I'm gonna get the emails. Cause why not? Okay, I made an account, and now what? I share my?
Go on the charts and then go to look up Nasdaq or Nas 100. NAS 100. And then go on that chart.
Look on my screen. I see products, community, market,
screen?
broker.
I'm not even on Trading View.
I don't know how to really use Discord, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Are you on your phone or your computer?
Up top.
Go to Discord. Go to the call we're in. There's like a little screen button. Right next, there's a microphone. There's a camera button. And there's a screen button. Like a monitor button. Click that, Joe.
Oh. Look at that.
There you go. Alright. Click search. Look up NAS. No. NAS 100. NAS 100. Yeah, you click that. Click launch chart.
Let me write that one down too. Alright, bro.
Alright, can you see my screen? Wait, go to the top left. You see where my joint is? You see how I got 5 second, 15 second, 30, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, all that. On the top, right to the right. No, not all the way to the right, but like just up more. Right to the right it says NAS 100. Where the plus sign is, to the right of the plus sign has a D. Click that. Now that's all the time frames you can go on while checking the charts. I want you to go to the 1 minute, like scroll, like hover over the 1 minute and favorite it. Click the star. Hover over the 5 minute, favorite it. The 15 minute. The 1 hour. The 4 hour. And the daily.
Okay, this one got that set to a science. Oh, bro, I fuck with that.
Alright. And then just click off. I think I was watching Martin.
Don't worry about what I'm
Alright. Click got it. Click press
got it.
Alright, now also go to the on the top left you see like the cursor icon. Not even a cursor icon, it's like a crosshair. Yeah.
This one right here?
Yeah, scroll down one more. Go to the right arrow next to that.
Yeah.
Favorite trend line. Horizontal line. Horizontal ray. Vertical line. And you see how it's popping up on the like the middle top. You feel me? You see where it's popping up at?
Okay, I see. Yeah.
All right, and then go click off that. Go to the one right below it. and then click that. And then I want you to favorite fib retracement.
Mhm.
All right, now go to the one 2 below that.
Mhm.
And then favorite long position, short position. Oh no. Go to the left, side. Don't favorite fib channel, not fib channel. That John, yeah. Now long position,
short position,
and then date and price range at the bottom. No, just date and price range. This one above there. All right, and then
I'd be done.
Go down one more. The paintbrush, John. And then favorite rectangle. And then click the little magnet button on the left. Down more. Down. Magnet. Click that, John. Put it on a weak magnet. Got it. All right. Now look at my screen. Sheesh. So the market opens. Wait, I'm waiting for you to get there. You see?
I'm on. Yeah,
that's your screen.
Stop. Okay. Yeah, Discord look confusing in this motherfucker.
You see where I'm at?
Yeah, it's shit loading. Wait,
So I'm on the you can see?
It's loading. It's like you got some like 2 little squares going in a circle. Stream failed to start. Don't play with me, bro. I swear to God. The fuck wrong with my shit? Yeah, you can hear me?
Yeah.
My shit just say stream ended or some shit. Alright. I can see your screen now.
Alright. So the market opens at 9:30. See, I'm on the 1 minute chart right here. So every time frame chart basically
I don't see your screen, bro. I see your fucking profile picture, that's it.
Wow. I'm gonna just mark stuff out and just go over it as soon as you download back up.
Good.
Yeah.
Why my shit freaked out?
I don't know. Probably Wi-Fi.
Can I refresh my refresh? Alright, I can see your shit now. You heard?
Yeah, I hear you. Hold on. Cause I look, you had to mark this out because the markets is moving fast.
I see. It's a lot of numbers. Yeah, how the fuck you get dark mode? I want dark mode.
You can change your charts. Like, look at light click, go to settings. There's like different options.
Should I? Okay, yeah, I'm not finna be.
The fuck? What's the freeze?
Okay, that shit look raw. I ain't gonna lie, with the black though, that shit tough. We getting rich tonight. We getting rich tonight.
Don't do joy in my world. Why is it not showing the hourly tag? Fuck them. Should have crowded this out. Watching.
Know about that too, Zion, boy. What you know about that shit, boy? Yeah.
She was my number one artist for the month.
She was my number 2 because Young Boy always gonna be number 1. That's my nigga right there. No kidding, no cap.
I was spamming her. Oh, crazy.
It's literally the same top 3 every time. It's Young Boy, Lauryn Hill, Erykah Badu.
I think I'm gonna be looking for shorts. Swipe the 1 hour swing low.
I can't wait for this shit to become second nature and not like a foreign language, bro. This shit look weird as hell.
It's not gonna look weird for that long.
Alright, bet.
Dang. Alright, so basically, you see up here?
That's where we mark the shit.
That's where all the time frames are, right? So if you switch between time frames, you see how the brackets get like more and more condensed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's because these right here, these are candles right here. This green candle, right? I'm gonna go to like a more like.
So it's like showing the quicker individual change versus like a long term.
Yeah, it's basically long term. So this green candle right here, it says 9:08 at the bottom, 9:08 a.m. So this is the price, but like this is what price did at 9:08 a.m. and then this is 9:09 a.m. This is 9:10 a.m. I mean, so on and so forth. As you can see, like it moves live, and then by the time when the minute ends, it stops where wherever it's at, and then goes to the next candle. But on the green candles, it starts. So this is the body right here, the green part, and then the black part that goes up and down. That's what's called the wick, right?
Yeah.
All right, and then I'm actually get the paintbrush out. Where did I at? All right, so and then the market basically opened up at 9:08. It started right there at the bottom of it, and at the end at 9:08, it ended up right here at the top of the body, right here. And then these wicks right here signify the highest point it was at during 9:08. So that's the highest point price was at during 9:08, and this was the lowest point the price was at 9:08.
Does it predict any potentials, like potential high points, or no?
No, it just literally just shows you what it is.
Okay, man.
And then for the black candles, so the green candles start at the bottom, end at the top. The black candles start at the top and end at the bottom. So it started up here and ended right here. And as you can see, once it ended right here, it started right there, and then ended right there, started right there, ended right there, started right there, ended up here, started right there, ended down there. Feel me? And sometimes it does get like a little off, but that's just because like sometimes I'm a little more volatile. Like you feel me? It's still the same thing. You can see that joint live. So you see how it go from green, and then once it goes down, it turns black.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so like it started right there. No matter what, it's gonna stay right there. Started right there, but like depending if it's a bullish candle, which is the green candle, or a bearish candle.
Okay.
So bullish just means,
bullish is green.
Yeah, bullish is green means it went up. Bearish is going down.
Bearish is down.
All right. Did tap into that 4 hour. Hold on. Almost sucked that 1 hour high just now.
2026 is gonna be a great year. No bullshit.
All right. So that's basically how candles work. So you could just watch and just see how they behave, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Throughout the day. Obviously the higher time frame you go on is basically just the candles condensed. So this is to go from 9:36 to 9:39 to 9:42, and this is like just a bigger candle.
Mm-hmm.
What I will say is the higher the time frame. So this is the 4 hour here, so 6 a.m. to 2 a.m. For me, what it did between a whole thing is 6 a.m. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is from between 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. This is between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. For me, so on and so forth. The higher the time frame, the more clearer it gets, to be honest. The more smooth it gets.
How the market's going.
Yeah. Okay. So, when it comes down to it, when I start showing you how to mark things and all that, the higher time frames, like things you mark on the higher time frame, are more likely to get respected than the ones on the lower time frames.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's like, I don't know. It's just how it is. I ain't gonna lie.
Where?
There are gaps that can form in between 3 sets of candles. Feel me? There's one right here. There's one right here. One right here. As you can see, it has a big behind gap between these 2 candles. Gap meaning the wicks, this wick and this wick, don't touch at all, and it leaves like an imbalance in price.
Mm.
You feel me? Because it doesn't happen often. Like it happened right here too. On the 1 minute, they don't get respected that often. They do get respected. If you have like a couple more confluences, you'll know when it's gonna get respected on the 1 minute and when it's not. Or when it's not likely to get respected. But it doesn't happen that often. Like you see, the wick still touched. They didn't leave no imbalance between these 3 candles. It didn't leave no imbalance between these 3 candles. It didn't between these candles, between all these candles right here. Only time I did was right here. This big jump right here. But these imbalances are called fair value gaps. Damn.
Okay.
They're called fair value gaps, and when price will do is it will use that fair value gap and use like as like a trampoline basically. So it will go up, right? Have this make this imbalance, right? And then price, when it goes down into this imbalance, you'd expect it to respect it because it's a fair value gap. It's called a BISI. Well, it's just called a fair value gap, to be honest with you. A bullish fair value gap. Bullish because it's a green candle. It's one that goes up. Bearish if it was a black candle when it went down. When it goes down into it, you see it went down into it right here. The wick went down into it.
Yeah, that was the lower.
Yeah, and then price kept going up after that.
Okay.
So that's usually what happens. Like if price is bullish, or if you don't know what price wants to do, right? And you see a fair value gap get made, and then you see like price go down into it, and respect it and keep going up after, then you're like, oh, okay, price wants to go up.
But is that like, what would you say a percentage of that is gonna always go up? Like a 60-50% chance.
Yeah, low key 50-50, bro.
Where? Okay.
Low key 50-50. But you can see right here, this one's a bearish fair value gap because of the black candle. Feel me? This one went into it. The only time it counts as it disrespecting it is when the body closes outside of it. The wick went into it and the wick went outside of it. By the end of the day, it still ended up closing down here and respecting it, and price went lower after.
Went over the first bullish candle on the left.
This one?
No, I mean bearish. My fault. I said bullish.
This one?
Yeah. So the small bearish joint, the wick went above the other one.
Yeah, the wick right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it went above the fair value gap. It went above it, but that doesn't matter as long as the body doesn't close above it.
Okay.
So if the body, like, because it opened up right here, like obviously the body started right here. It went all the way up here, and then came down, and then ended up closing all the way down here.
Okay. Okay.
So it respected the joint.
All right, I get that now. All right, that makes more sense.
Yeah. Hold on, let me check something real quick. That the joy in my. All right. I feel like. What could I teach you right now? That's fair value gaps. Is a bearish, and then bullish fair value gaps. That happens on every time frame, by the way. Like you see on the 1 minute, there was a bullish fair value gap right there. If you go in the 3 minute, it's a same thing, but it's a little like, feel me, a little smaller. Go on the 5 minute, it's barely like it's even smaller than that. 15 minute, this one's even way bigger, but this candle didn't close yet, so you don't mark out for value gaps unless the candle closes. So once the candle closes, and then there's the wick, you see wick right there. If the wick doesn't go down there and touch that, then it'll be a fair value gap. Like I told you, higher time frame. So like I was saying, the higher time frames get respected more often. So a higher time frame, fair value gap on a higher time frame is more likely to get respected. Right now you can't see it, but it's actually going into a 4-hour fair value gap marked. So it's going into a 4-hour fair value gap. I'm just trying to see what it does out of this. I think it wants to go up. So when there's a down close candle, right, and then a candle that closes up right after that, that's what's created a swing low. So this is on the 4-hour chart, so it's a 4-hour swing low. And then this one, there's a up close candle, and then a down close candle after that is the swing high.
And so, how do you pace yourself? Do you pace yourself based on how you feel or how the market, let's say the shit been going down, right? You gonna move off of that fact that it's been going down, or you gonna move because you feel like it could change, or you
low key off the fact that whatever the market's doing, not even like what I feel like. It's whatever the market's doing. It's not really a feel thing. It's really just you look at the market and you go off of what the market is doing.
All right, for sure.
And on the daily time frame right now, see, this is a swing high right here. This is a swing low, but as you can see, it broke below that swing low and kept going. So this is a high. This is a high right here, and then as you can see, it's a lower high though. So this is a high. This is a lower high, and then right here, it looks like it might make another lower high, but we're gonna see. And then I made a low right there. And then it made another low.
So the bullish one all the way to the right now is a low? Question mark.
Hold on. Yeah, this one right here. Well, it's not a low until the candle closes, but yeah.
Okay.
So this is so the market's going down right now.
Another joint opens up, right?
Yeah. So the market right now is in a downtrend because it's making a high and then it made a lower high right after. And this is a low and then a lower low right after. Now when it's in an uptrend, you'll see it makes a high, and it makes a higher high, and it makes a low, and it makes a higher low. But once it breaks one of those higher lows and makes a lower low, or breaks one of those higher highs and makes a lower high, or doesn't break one of those higher highs and makes a lower high, you'll see it's alright. The price is gonna reverse. You feel me?
Yeah.
Still not. I should probably put that in the charts. Alright. This big orange thing is the fair value gap on the 4 hour that I marked out. I was just looking at it on the 1 minute. I feel like that's really the basis of what I could tell you right now.
Alright, for sure. If that's all you can really tell me, then I'm gonna do my research in between. But I want to watch you work for like
alright, bet.
Like 30 minutes.
Alright, bet. Alright. See that.
Yo, you think Aaron could bit my shit today or no?
I don't know. Maybe in the morning, like you came in at like the next hour.
Word? That's perfect. I ain't gonna lie.
I gotta ask him though. I was just saying maybe.
Right, ask him. I'm not trying to spend no fucking Bushido.
He's gonna charge you.
I'll throw him a cool 15, but I'm not trying to spend no.
Yeah, for that, yeah. Dang, that's crazy. It got to the top of the 4 hour fair value gap and it just didn't even go past it. The wicks did, but the body didn't. And the price started going down after. So that's a 4 hour imbalance. So it's an imbalance on a 4 hour. What price wants to do is go inside of it and fill the imbalance.
Word.
And that's what it did. It just filled the imbalance and started going down right after. Filled it perfectly, high key, but I'm just watching. See if I can get an entry because I think price is gonna go down and dump all the way down to at least lower here or even down here or a max down here. But I'm just waiting for an entry.
And since I started everything you had me start, I don't have to keep doing that every time, right?
Yeah, no, it's automatically gonna pop up. See, everything you start is gonna be on like a toolbar. That's what this is right here.
Yeah, man.
I'm like, I'm just switching through it. That's how it goes on.
Okay.
And then you can make templates. So I got mad template speed. It's like once you place like the rectangle down, again, there's another toolbar that pops up for like the options for the toolbar, like colors, add text to it.
And what is the point of it for like prediction or like a note taking?
Yeah, basically, so you want to just mark stuff down as it's happening, and then once price starts to go back, like if this provider gap right here, price goes back into that one, you might get if you're confident and you know what price is gonna do, you might use that as an entry. Like, so this provider gap, you might use it like, all right, once it taps back into this provider gap right here, I'm gonna enter a sell because it's gonna go down right after there.
Okay.
But the more information you have, the more confident you'll be in like knowing that this provider gap will get respected.
And it looked like you were looking at a completely different thing than me. You on MNQH and I'm on NAS 100.
Yeah, MNQ is NAS 100. They're the same thing.
Oh, okay.
The only difference is like this is like a futures contract, and NAS 100 is like it's low key like Forex.
I did have stocks in NASDAQ, but I don't know if that's like some quick shit or like. Is it okay to have that long term?
Oh yeah, no, it definitely is. 100% is. I think NAS 100 is like the top 100 like businesses.
I had like $60 in there. I'm about to try to put some more in there. In my Robinhood account.
Yeah, it's like the top 100 businesses or something like that. And like however the top 100 businesses perform, probably like Apple, Microsoft, all them bulls. However they perform is how the Nasdaq's gonna move.
I'm not trying to be working on my whole life, bitch. I'm trying, me.
Yeah, for that.
Tired at 35, bitch. So, bro.
Literally. Try to retire like a little bit right after I have kids, bro. I'm looking for an entry. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. What I'm looking for right now is for, see how there's a halfway mark right here?
Mm-hmm.
And this her value gap?
So that's where you waiting for it to get to?
No, I'm waiting for a price. So price to tap into the fair value gap, right? But not hit the halfway point at all. And then after that, reject it. And the next candle to close below the candle that tapped into it. Or the next couple candles at least. But it can't, like, see right now, it did it. It went in there and didn't make it go back halfway point.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm waiting for this. If this candle closes below, like, the low of this candle, or even the next candle after that, as long as there's no green candles in between, then I'll take a trade right here. I might get it right now. Oh, never mind. No, maybe not. Maybe yeah.
You know if your brother's even awake right now?
Nah, he definitely is. He be waking up early, so.
Alright, that nigga not hitting me back. I'm gonna just assume he wants me to go to a barbershop.
So just wait. Alright. So what I did, I just placed a limit order. So when price goes back up, if price goes back up and taps this white line, it's gonna put me in a sell. Oh, might do it right now. What I wanted to do is sell all the way. This is a vicious sell, nigga. I don't know if I'm gonna get this. I don't know if I'm gonna get this full joint, bro.
That shit wicked.
Sheesh, that is a vicious sell. I probably would do it like right here. Instead, even though that low was already taken, I probably do the low from before this one. Right
Don't be greedy today either.
I'm not.
Oh, bro.
I'm gonna put it on. So you can see.
Yo, would you ever do real estate, bro? As like a side gig, bro? Like if we.
Oh yeah, that's the plan. To be honest with you.
We could really run this shit up, buy hella cribs, and just rent them shits out, bro.
Literally, that was the plan.
Never work ever again. I would still want to be a therapist though, but like I wouldn't have to work as much type shit.
I was telling damn, bro, that shit couldn't touch it and then start dumping. Like, come on, nigga. I hate when this happens, bro. Like, you see how close it got? I placed it right when this candle opened up. It got mad close and it just didn't hit it and put me in the cell.
That's the thing that's gonna help me with this trading shit, or not with the trade shit, but this trading shit is gonna help me with my patience and what's the name, bro? Because this is a very mental game,
bro. Right, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause usually some bulls won't even like wait for this to get hit, bro. They just hop in the cell by themselves. I'm waiting specifically for this to get touched, bro. So this what happened. It went back into this bearish for value gap right here. Didn't hit consequent encroachment, which is called the middle point. That's what the middle point is called. It's called consequent encroachment. And then it made a couple of black candles after that, and the black candle ended up closing below the candle that ended up retracing into it. When a candle closes below like a previous candle like that, it makes this candle right here an order block. That's another confluence, like a fair value gap. It's order block. So when price goes back into it, is the body of this candle, it's gonna reject it. It's gonna reject that order block. So I'm waiting for. I put a limit sell order for when price touches that order block.
Mm-hmm.
For it to up after, but it didn't fucking touch it and just dumping, bro. My gosh.
Damn. That shit's still going.
It's bro. I know this is bread, bro. This is bread. This is bread.
Might be seeing something.
Might be.
When you done though, like when you're done like this, definitely send me some YouTubers to look into.
I got you.
Look.
Bro. This is tragic, bro. This is a tragic John. Super tragic, John.
That shit's still going. God damn.
It's super tragic. I told you I
Wasn't
expected to go all the way down here, to be honest. Well, not. I don't know. I feel like if I place my TPR down there, that's some greedy stuff though, low key. Because it might not go all the way down there, bro. Like that's like, yo, you want price to dump all the way down there. That's a lot of movement. If you see, it says 488.
Don't look like
ticks.
that's a trend either. Like if you go past like the other time frames, it doesn't look like it's ever dropped that low. At least not recently.
I did. That's why I did. That's how I marked it. It's right here.
How long ago is that though? Because you're looking at
It's at 3 a.m. It was down here.
Yeah,
this is at 12 a.m. This is at 8 p.m. and this is at 7 p.m. yesterday.
Yeah, but the market just opened though.
Yeah, but the market opened. See, when the market opened yesterday, it started up 9:30. It was right here. It went all the way up here and then just dumped all the way down to where I marked it out earlier. So that's basically what's happening right now, bro. They're tapping into the same fair value gap too, and they're just dumping. Because it opens at 9:30, so it's like small movements until 9:30. That's when the market opens, and then there's just a bunch of big movements after that. There's the market, dang, bro. I feel like I really missed the sell, bro.
I feel like Mark Wahlberg.
Bro, it's really runs. Well, if you would have seen it live, bro, if this joint would have touched you, my joint would be smacking right now. I ain't gonna lie. No drawdown whatsoever, because if it goes back up here, it's drawdown. But it was a straight smack sniper entry.
But you just say sniper entry?
Yeah. That's when you get an entry that doesn't have any drawdown.
Okay.
Like it goes straight down to your TP after. Your take profit. So, when you enter a trade, they're going to want to set a stop loss, and then your take profit, which would be like down here. That's for a sell. This is for a buy. Obviously, stop loss. They're just the opposite.
Sure.
I wish I could have hopped in the sell so I could show you how it actually moves.
Shit, I'm sticking around for a little minute.
Yeah, hopefully I can get it.
I gotta go to my mom crib. I think she get off. Actually, not get off, but she go on lunch break at like 11 or some shit.
All right.
Hey, Mike, my break is at 12.
It's not gonna take that long.
I bet that. Damn, it's at 12. That's kind of like ass.
Damn, bro. I go. How much would I be up right now if it could be in? 700. At the lowest point, I was up like 890. I go. My take profit would have been like 1.7K.
Damn.
That's what.
Would have been like, so you can't shake back type shit.
I mean, if it goes all the way up here again and it puts me in, then yeah. But it might right now. Oh, there's 10 news. Oh, 10 a.m. The general pen passed. Forgot about that. You gotta mark stuff like that down. So there's news candles.
Wait, you said mark shit like what?
News. So if you go to a website called forexfactory.com. This is the website right here.
forexfactory.com.
Yeah, it shows all the news that will happen throughout the day. And I know like yellow folder news these are the folders right here. Any yellow folder news doesn't matter. Any news that doesn't say USD doesn't matter. But if it's a red folder news, then it definitely matters. And it's definitely going to move the markets when that happens. See, at 10 a.m., there was a USD red folder news. And it was right here.
Bro, I gotta get better at my computer skills, like opening files and like just navigating through a computer, because I'm low-key not good at that shit. But I'm gonna get better at it.
Yeah, bro. This joint just came like second nature.
That's good.
Bro, this joint is not going back up, bro.
Like in the beginning of the year, bro. That shit was pissing me off.
You said what at the beginning of the year?
When you was falling off with this shit, you wasn't like, you was on that bullshit.
Oh, it's because I had no listening. I had no account, so I couldn't trade.
Oh, didn't you fuck it up or something?
Yeah, I blew the account.
It's the neck, bro.
Shit happens, bro.
So
I'm still not making bread off this. If I ain't blew the account, I'll be making peep.
Shit gotta happen how it happens, though. We're gonna get right.
Exactly. I don't think I'm gonna get an entry. I think it's gonna smack my TP. I would have been up 1.1K, bro. And that would have been my best trade this whole month. I think the best trade this month was like 400, 500. This is looking like bread.
So you still waiting on your limit, right? But could you adjust that if you wanted to?
Yeah, like if it showed the same thing, like that's why I keep marking these bearish for higher gaps. If it showed the exact same thing, that's my strategy. But I only use that strategy between what's called the macro. The macro is between 9:50 a.m. to 10:10. So it's the last 10 minutes of every hour and the first 10 minutes of every hour. That's the macro.
You got 3 minutes, bro.
Yeah, and during that macro, that's when price goes for liquidity. Liquidity is basically everybody's stop loss. So for big money though, like big money put their stop loss at this low and then got this like buy up. But big money is probably expecting it to keep going further and further and further. Or not even big money, like dumb money. Dumb niggas. Dumb niggas probably entered somewhere around here, some random place around here, and then put their stop loss below this low, expecting it to never hit that joint again.
Is that bad?
No, it's good for us.
Okay.
Because we're using them as what's called liquidity. We know price wants to stop them out. So their stop. So I would have my stop loss right here. They have their stop loss right here at this low. And price wants to take them niggas out. That's what price wants to do. Wants to take all the niggas out. That's liquidity right there. So that's why you mark out that low. That's why I have my take profit at that low. I don't think it's gonna do it. Damn, that shit was money too.
Where do you see your projected take home bread? Like where you see that at?
I'm in full screen mode. It pops up right here, but I have it covered. And this is it actually pops up right here. Like when you're in a trade, it'll pop up right here. This is a realized P&L or profit or loss. So this the bread that like feel me that you already made. Unrealized is like if you're in a trade already and it's still like fluctuating up and down. It's usually going to see the numbers going up and down. But once you get out the trade, it goes to realized P&L.
But when you got it, what's the P&L stand for again?
Price and profit or loss. Profit and loss.
And you stands for unidentified.
Unrealized. So this is realized and this is unrealized. So it's the potential profit that you can make, and this is the actual profit that you did make.
So let's say you have money in the unrealized, right? And it's going up. You notice that it's still fluctuating and it comes down a little bit. Is you gonna pull that bread and put it into your RP?
No.
Okay, so
you don't want to emotionally trade. That's emotionally trading. Like if you see it's going down or whatever, or you see it going up, and you're like, bro, I don't think it's gonna go up more than that, and just take it out all quick. You want to be confident in your trades.
All right.
So like if I ain't gonna lie, I could if I enter real quick. One.
Order filled.
See, it's unrealized right here, and this is realized right here. As you can see, as the market's going up and down, it's changing the unrealized. The realized stayed the same. I don't know why the fuck it automatically went down 37 cents. I don't know why I did that. The realized is gonna stay the same though until you exit the trade and the unrealized moves to the realized.
Okay.
Order filled.
Close that shit. I just lost $30.
Damn, my fault.
No, it's 30, bro. $30 is nothing, bro. Like it's like 50K in this account.
Damn. $30 to get you some Chick-fil-A, 103 grams of protein. You heard?
For that. You're not lying. I don't know if I should hop in the cell. It's not the macro no more. If I hop in the cell and this joint don't hit, bro, it's that my fault.
That sounds like a lot of ifs, bro. I don't know if you want to do that, right?
Yeah.
Cause if you stop that sell, can't you just switch up your strategy type, you know?
Yeah, I can set more sell limits than that. I set buy limits. It's just like I don't want to because that's my
Bro, don't sacrifice no bread trying to teach me, bro. I'm gonna do some fucking research, bro.
I'm not sacrificing bread trying to teach you. This is just me. That joint still ain't touch it. Like, bro, you keep doing this, bro. You be... Yo, bro. Oh, my gosh, bro. Just blew my shit. All right, I'm done for the day, bro. I'm not even going to wait for this shit, bro. I'm not
done for the day, Ski?
Yeah. I only trade between 9:30 to like 10, literally 10:10, bro.
All right, bet that.
Because that's when the market's really be moving. Bro, yesterday, hold on, I'm going to show you my trade yesterday. Bro, yesterday, I did some dumb shit, bro. This is the trade I was in, right?
I was going to hear some
and look, this joint ended up smacking. This is $900, right? I entered the trade right here. It was going up. Once it got to this point and it was close to hit my TP, I moved my stop loss to break even right here. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't do that often, but I was just low-key on some scary stuff, and I did not want to lose bread, bro.
Sheesh. So did you end up taking anything home?
No, because when you move it to break even, like when it goes back down to where you entered at, it basically takes you out the trade when you lose $0. If you like, but if it goes below to where you enter at, obviously that's when you start losing bread. So I moved my stop loss from right here all the way up to break even. So it went up, it came down, hit me at break even, and took me out the trade. See, it says that has that red joint right there. I mean, it took me out right there, that red arrow. So it took me out the trade once it hit this entry point, came down, and I'm like, damn, this jump probably gonna keep going down. It never ended up hitting my stop loss, or where my stop loss was at before I moved it. Never ended up hitting that joint. And that's why you gotta be confident in your trades. You don't just gotta take them joints out, bro, because that's emotionally trading, bro. You're just trading with your emotions, bro. And that joint ended up going way back up, and then hit my take profit. And I would have made bread if I was just confident and didn't take this joint off, bro. I joined $900. That could have been like 1.2.
This was in the time between 9:30 and 10:10.
This is actually 10:30. I was on this joint locked in.
You're not trying to give it an extra 15 minutes. You on that lazy shit.
It's not even on some lazy shit. Like this one, the price was dumping all day. I was looking for it to buy back up, and it ended up doing it like dumb late though. But it was dumping all day, and I knew it was gonna buy back up, and it didn't. Like I was just waiting for it to buy back up to see if I can get into a trade. This one, I'm looking for a price to dump, and it's already been dumping. You feel me? Yeah. So I don't want to hop into a trade like after it already dumps. Did what it wanted to do for the day, and then look for a sell when it's gonna buy up. You feel me? Because you want to sell high and buy low.
All right. Sell high, buy low.
Bro, this joint dumping, bro. I don't think I'm gonna get entry because that macro entry. I have two strategies. The one during the macro between 9:50 to 10:10 a.m. The 15-second chart that John I just showing you, and then also the one in the 1 minute that I can do at any time. I don't gotta wait for the macro. But the only thing with that is price would have to go all the way back up to here for me to get my entry that I'm looking for. And I don't think it's gonna do that. That's why I'm gonna get off the charts.
All right, bro. Appreciate you. You're running this shit back next Friday, right?
Yeah, we will.
Hell yeah. And by Friday, I should have a little bit of a gist of this shit.
All right, and I'll send you boys to watch for trade until.
All right, bro. Good luck.
Safety. All right, safety. Oh shit! I had my face came on. I didn't even peep that. I didn't even pee that. I mean, price ended up dumping after that sell I took too. 817. Oh, I got on like right here, and that jump went all the way up here and then dumped. Yo, what's up with this joint not hitting my fucking journal? Like, damn. Yo, that joint always be doing that, bro. It never fails to fuck up, bro. Like, joint never fails, bro.
Niggas the diamond gym. You know why I didn't want to go. I don't want no grown ass men yelling in my face trying to push me harder. Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
that the joy in my world Zion is the giant.
I can't say what's up to your sister. Why, bro? It's your sister. Hey, your mama said, y'all, that she could pop it. Good. I know you like.
I'm gonna delete this little shit, bro. Trying to be funny, bro. I'm tired of seeing that like comment, bro. Oh shoot, I'm still streaming. I'm tired of seeing that like comment. Bro, I'm low-key trying to see. I'm trying to see if it ever would touch this entry and go down. But I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to dump. But like, I don't want it to dump without touching my rump. Pump, 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 pump. Alright, let me get out this channel. I'm actually done streaming. Done trading for the day.